We are at 14th edition of CCMT, which is happening at Shanghai. Over the years, this show has grown in terms of size, scale, and in technology, playing a relevant show globally for metal cutting and metalworking technologies. At AceMicromatic, we have been participating in the show since 2004. That's where the first participation step up happened in China market. Since then, we also have been playing an important role in terms of enhancing our technology and product which is required for the China market, but also globally. We remember that in 2004, we came with jobber machine, which is fast-selling product. Today, when we look at, we have scaled up the product in terms of technology and also in terms of integrating with the cobots and gantry. As the show started playing in relevant not only for China, globally. And AceMicromatic is aligned with progressive global player, and we are looking at 25% of our business to come from global markets. So this show plays a very relevant in that vision, in that goal. So we have participants, we have visitors coming from not only China, but also from other parts of the world, which includes Europe, Southeast Asia, and specifically India too. At AceMicromatic, we continuously improve our product. We listen to our customer. More importantly, what is required for enhancing the customer productivity. In this show, we have showcased 2-axis machine along with cobot and also multi-axis machine which called as a LT2 MSY to cater to a complex machining parts. And we have come with a space compact machine called CTM06, which is all these machines have been enhanced with Industry 4.0 along with a layer of AI. This intelligent technologies helps the customer to plan their increase in productivity and stay relevant to the technologies which is required for enhancing customer productivity and experience. Today, at AceMicromatic International, we not only cater to China, we have become one of a very well-established brand in China. Along with that, we have grown globally, having our offices in Mexico, in Germany, and also in Dubai. We invite you to visit us to see our latest range of products in metal cutting solutions, where we have enhanced our product with cobots, integrated with gantries, and added to that, enhancing your productivity with the AI layer. Looking forward to seeing you.